Hi, collective. Let's see what's going on between you and the person on your mind. What are the energies? Let's see what's going on. Let's see what cards are coming out. Okay, we have the Four of Pentacles and we have the Chariot. Someone wants to move towards you. They are planning a visit, but money and financial matters are stopping them. They're restricting them. I think, this is the type of individual I'm picking up on, someone who is well to do, but at the same time, they don't, especially their financial problems, they are not verbal about it. They don't let people know that they are having financial issues. And that's just something they do to protect their image. They like to be very independent. They take a lot of pride in doing so. We have the Hierophant in reverse. I'm picking up on someone who might have lost their job, or the job stability is actually, the security is not there. Maybe there are visa issues, maybe there are certain things which are unstable, uncertain, because of which this person feels that they cannot come towards you the way they want to come towards you. They want to come towards you with like a knight in shining armor. They want to come towards you with gifts. They want to come towards you and offer you to take you out on a vacation or on expensive dates, and they cannot do that at this point of time because they are financially stuck. With the Hierophant in reverse being here, I'm picking up on someone who is going through a shift in their life where they are realizing a lot of situations. Like, I'm picking up on someone who is going through a phase in their life where they are realizing the conditioning. A lot of people believe that, job security is going to be the ultimate answer. They are going to be financially stable once they secure a job. So I'm picking up on someone who is realizing that that was all bullshit. For some people it works out, but for some people it doesn't work out, and I'm picking up on someone who it's not working out for them. Yeah. Tell me more about this person. What is going on in their life? Can you tell me more about this person? Yeah, we have the King of Swords. King of Swords is in reverse. This person is in this energy where they know that they haven't been a perfect person in the past. Like, they didn't pursue you in the way that they wanted to pursue you in the past. And with the Page of Swords, this person is thinking about it in a very unrealistic way. When I say unrealistic, what I mean is that, this person's ego is tearing them apart, but they don't want to accept it honestly. Like, that's what I see. I'm sorry if I am not being correct about your person, but this person is going through a massive ego transformation where they are realizing, a lot of people are connected to their job or how much money they make, and they think it might be permanent at least for a little while, and they get too attached to it. That's what I'm picking up on. Someone who might have been acting very superficially, and now they are realizing that they are replaceable, and the job opportunity that they were very prideful about, it's not there anymore. So I'm picking up on someone who has lost their job, or they are about to lose their job. They are very insecure around the entire career thing because they are losing a lot of money. They are trying to make ends meet, and they are just facing a lot of problems. Tell me more about this person, please. We have the Justice in reverse. Can you tell me more about this person? And we have the Ace of Swords. This person is gaining a lot of clarity. This person is gaining a lot of clarity about what they have to do in the future. They are realizing the things that do not matter for them. They are realizing that there are certain things which are out of their control. A King of Swords is usually someone who thinks a lot of things are under their control because they are intelligent enough to manipulate the situation according to their needs. And this person is realizing that some situations cannot be manipulated. Some situations are just for you to accept the way it is and hope for the best. This person is gaining a lot of clarity. I'm picking up on someone who's going through a massive ego death, and this is something which is not like, they don't understand why it is happening. This person is in this energy where they are blaming this person is forced to move. For a lot of people, this person is being forced to move. So this person was living in a different part of the world, and maybe in a different state, in a different city, and now they are being forced to move because of the financial conditions. They cannot just sustain the kind of lifestyle that they were once living, and they feel extremely devastated because now they have to, they don't know how to deal with it. Honestly, that's what I'm picking up on. With the justice in reverse, they feel like all of this is not justified, but at the same time, they feel that, okay, for a lot of you, I feel like this person is, in a way, they are realizing that, this is all because they didn't respect the path that was being made for them with you. Like, if they would have gotten in a connection with you, or if they would have treated you with respect, dignity, this situation could have been avoided. And what I mean by that is because you would have helped them understand this battle or this situation, you would have been there for them. But now, when they are in this situation, they do not have someone to talk to who would give them a good advice, a spiritual perspective on this situation, but a realistic spiritual perspective. Like, not someone as a friend, not someone who they consult as a psychic or a medium or a tarot reader. That's what I'm picking up on. So this person is realizing, this person is gaining a lot of clarity about the things that they want in life. You know what I'm picking up on? Like, with the Wheel of Fortune being here, this person is like, there's someone falling on the floor, and there's a king and queen here, and they're celebrating something. This person is realizing that, their partner matters a lot. Maybe, this person was in this energy where they were happy being single, or they were just in situationships and they were okay with it. They were like, maybe I don't need that emotional connection. And now, because they are in such a devastating phase of their life, they are realizing that emotional connections are very much required. Very much required. And this person is having a very tough time dealing with that. That's the specific situation I'm picking up on. Okay. Can you tell me more about this person? What is going on? Can you? Yeah, okay. We have the King of Pentacles in reverse, someone who is King of Rods in upright, and we have the Temperance. You know what I'm picking up on with the King of Pentacles in reverse, and we have the Emperor, strong masculine energy. Like, I'm picking up on someone who is such a beautiful divine masculine. Like, this person has amazing masculine qualities, but they are learning how to understand their masculinity. Like, this person was in toxic masculinity. This person was just not in a right space of mind. Like, this person used to get attached to the wrong things in life. This person didn't value the right things in life, and now they are going through this tough lesson so that they can become an emperor, and they can embody all the kings of the deck. With the King of Rods, this person might be focused on their looks. This person is extremely magnetic. Fire sign energy. This person is in this energy where they want to look forward in the future, but they cannot help but think about the past. I'm picking up on strong father wound. Maybe this person has lost their dad, or maybe this person has a very difficult relationship with their father. I'm picking up on father and grandfather, like immediate bloodline. And this person is looking at those situations where their father might have, give like explain to them that, a difficult situation like this can come in your life at any point of time. And they are now in this energy where they are longing for someone to give them advice on this particular situation, and they don't know how to do that because maybe they are not on good terms with this father figure, or maybe, they have lost them or something like that. So that's what I'm picking up on. With the Temperance being here, this is all happening because they need to heal. This is a pause in the connection. This is a separation which is very much required because this person needs to learn their own lessons. They need to be in this energy of understanding what is important for them and how they need to respect it, and what is not important and how they need to detach from it. I'm picking up on strong father wounds, because this person's stability is very much affected, and this person is actively understanding and realizing that, these are situations they cannot run away from. So this person is healing their inner masculine. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next reading. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know your situation in the comments down below. Bye bye. See you in the next reading.